Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, September the 8th, and last Friday, you had Chapter 1 activity due. I'm going to get started grading those this week and try to get them turned around by the end of the week. This week, you need to start studying Chapter 2 material, and if you go back to the course home and look at the under the fundamental concepts, look at Chapter 2 application layer, you see that what we're looking at is the application layer in the OSI model is all of the stuff that we use on the web or on the internet. So the internet is the mechanism that allows us to send information from one computer to another, and applications are the means that we use to communicate over the internet. So anything from the video calling uses an application, email is an application, web is an application. That's really kind of what you're looking at as the top level. It's not kind of what you're looking at, it is what you're looking at. It's the top level of the OSI model that illustrates to you how we use these applications to interact with other computers, to share information and to receive information and data from other computers through networks and telecommunications, which means when you think of sharing information and data, you're not just talking about logging into a database. Anything that you do today on a smartphone or a tablet is sending and receiving data. It's coming in different forms. It may come in as video, it might be voice, it might be pictures, it might be websites, it could be text messages. All of this or the majority of this is all going over data. Some of it is still going over cellular, like some text messages goes over cellular, but that's just a different type of a network. The application, the model of the OSI model still applies because you've still got the application layer, and you've got the layers in the middle, and then you've got your physical layer, which in cellular world would be wireless connections. So you've still got your basic OSI model no matter what the mechanism is. So what we're looking at here in Chapter 2 is the application layer, and your activity for Chapter 2, let me see, I believe it's all the way down here at the bottom. Here it is. Chapter 2 activity is investigating HTTP requests. So here's your background and exactly what your activity is, and your deliverable is you're going to go to hands-on activity 2A on pages 67 to 68. Here's some specifics where step 4 says several. I want you to collect information on 10 servers. So you're going to look at some specific information in the HTTP headers for these 10 different servers, different websites that you're going to look at, and you're going to build a table that's going to have 4 columns: web address, the server. Okay, that is not correct. That I need to fix this. I'll fix this line right here by the time I finish and upload the video. That I updated the table headers from activity 1, but this would actually be a website. This would be the type of server. This would be whether or not you find out if there's a cookie used, and then what information the cookie collects if you can find that information. So this is wrong information. I will correct that by the time I upload this video. So, and then you're going to collect this for 10 web addresses, and then you're going to submit your log as a PDF along with answers to these questions. Why would some companies allow you to know the type of web servers and others would hide it? And how are cookies used between clients and servers? So this is the information that you're going to be looking at this week. This is the chapter you're studying, the activity you're doing. Remember, your activity is due Friday at noon. If you have any questions, I'm on campus tomorrow, which is Tuesday, September 9th, and Wednesday, September 10th this week. So let me know if you have any questions. And I will try to get your papers all graded and turned around before the end of this week so that you'll at least have feedback on your first activity. I haven't heard from anybody or any questions, so I assume that means everybody's doing okay in the class, and I hope that's the case. But if you do have a question, don't forget to send me an email at bprince@westga.edu, or you can send me a text message to the number that's on the syllabus. Have a great day, and I look forward to getting your work.